Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this warm kind of golden brown eye makeup look, which is actually very easy to create. So I'm just going to teach you how to do this on your own eyes. Now before I go in with any eyeshadow, like always, I'm going to prime the eyelids and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, which is my personal favorite eyeshadow primer, but there are a few others which I really like as well, but I always keep coming back to this one. Now I will be playing with my own palette that I created together with Sigma, which I will link down in the description bar, and I'm going to start with the color Virgo, and I'm just going to blend this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm just blending this all the way. After that, I also decided to blend it a little bit more on top of the eyelid because I just wanted this to be kind of like the base color of my crease, but also just all over the place. So I just kept going back in with this color to kind of gradually build it up and just making sure that the crease area and the eyelid just looks like a nice warm color. So I'm just continuing to blend, and then I also kind of tapped it all over the eyelid. And then after this, I'm going to go in with the next color, which is this one right here, which is called Adorn, which is kind of like a shimmery golden, which has a little bit of a sparkle in it. And I'm just using my finger to apply this all over the eyelid. Excuse my nails, this one actually broke, so it's very short compared to the other ones. But yeah, so I used that color all over the eyelid, and then I went in with July 11, which is more like a warmish, darker brown shade. And I'm gonna blend this along the lash line, kind of where you would normally blend your wing liner. Not blend, apply your wing liner, but I'm just kind of blending this color in that same area. So it kind of mimics the effect as if I have a winged liner, but then with eyeshadow. Then I also blended it like right into my crease. And this will kind of give this effect. I'm not sure what an eye look like this is called, but I do know that it's a specific kind of eye look, but I don't know what it's called. Let me know if you guys know. It's basically just an eye look where you use like a shimmery or light color all over the eyelid, and then you create some darkness along the lash line and in your crease area, so it kind of divides the eyeshadow from the eyelids with the crease colors, if that makes sense. I really don't know how to explain, but I do really like eye looks like this. It kind of gives me kind of like retro vibes, like if you would do this with like a red lipstick, it kind of looks old school, if that makes sense. But yeah, now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow. I'm just using a very light hand. I didn't want the black to be too intense, but I just wanted to kind of darken up where I previously went in with that brown color. So I'm using a tinier brush and just kind of following my natural crease line and just going softly over it. And then I switch to a brush, but with that same color on it, and just kind of smudging it out so it looks a little bit more softer. So you can add more, you just kind of have to see for yourself if you feel like you need more, or if you have applied too much, you just keep blending to kind of smudge everything out. Then I removed the eyeshadow guard and I went in with some concealer just to clean everything up because I wasn't really happy with how the line looked, so I just kind of perfected everything a bit more. Then again I went in with the color July 11, this time using a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty and blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line. I'm not gonna go like all the way to the inner corner area, I'm just kind of keeping it like somewhere in the center. And I'm also planning to go in with a light color in the waterline to kind of still make my eyes look a bit bigger and just brighter and not make everything very dark, which is really fresh. So I smudged everything out, and then I went in with this Wonder Pencil from NYX Cosmetics. I do have to say I had to press really hard. I think it's not really meant for in the waterline, but I just felt like it had kind of like this nice warm undertone, so I wanted to use it for the waterline, but I don't think it's actually meant for the waterline. Then I went in with this color called, I believe it's called Glaze, which is a super nice like light color, which is perfect for the inner corner of the eye. It just brightens everything up. Then I curled the lashes real quick, which I always do before going in with mascara. It just looks so much better. I never skip this part. Then I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite mascaras, which is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, just using a tiny coat on the upper lashes. Because I will be going in with false lashes. So I'm gonna go in with the Alaya lashes from the brand Queen Tarsi, a really beautiful natural lash style, not too dramatic, but still it has just the right amount of volume for this soft glam look. So yeah, this is the end result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know if this is something you would wear. If you have any requests for my next upcoming videos, let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't